you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a BoxyCharm Luxe for June. Do you want to see what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my June BoxyCharm for the Luxe box just arrived. So let's go ahead and see what is going to be in here. For those that want to know the weight, I did pre-look this time, and it is 3.8 pounds. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Now this one, I did choose a product in this one. So I remember that part. I know one item so far. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. That is what it looks like. Okay, so let's see what we have this month. Here's the card. And now I'm confused because I know in my premium box, I said one of the boxes, I wasn't sure which one, I said to choose for me. And then one of them, I actually chose a specific item. That specific item was not in my premium and it's not in my Luxe. So, and I know I have an email saying this is what you're getting and I didn't get that. So I'll show you right here the picture of what I was supposed to get, but I don't see that in here at all. Not that I don't remember. So let's just go ahead and see what I have then. So this says Pure Heals by Nature Village. This is a sleeping mask. So there's the packaging. I see a little honeycomb on the top with the bee. This right here says it's $55, an enriched sleeping mask providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. The extract forms a water oil protective barrier that soothes irritated, sensitive skin. $55. So it does have a little spoon, little spatula situation if you want to use that. I would use my finger. And is this like a metal or glass? It's like a glass jar. It's nice. And when you open it up, ooh, it kind of smells like honey and it looks like it's honey. That is really neat. Let's see, do I have to clean this off the next morning? Because that's the part I don't, I like being able just to leave it on and forget about it. How to use. Use instead of cream at the end of your daily skin regimen. Leave on overnight and rinse off in the morning. Can be used at night every day. So you do have to wash it off in the morning. I always forget to wash things off in the morning. That's why I try not to use them. But for $55, I might go ahead and try that. So there's item number 1. And that basically pays for the entire box. So then number 2 would be right here. It's a lip pencil 2-pack by Bodyography Professional Cosmetics. And this is valued at $28 and it should be a pencil set in Pouty and Rosewood. So the other one came out without the cap. Here we go. Let me get the cap out. So here's the 2 pencils and then that would be like the 2 colors. And then let's go ahead and give them a little swatch here. So one is like a purple and one is like a light pink color. So there we go, right to there. So there's the 2 lip pencils, again valued at $28. So now we have No Pore Blem, like no problem, but no pore blem. Prime Essence Touch and Soul. So this right here, this is valued at $23 and it says it's for anyone looking to take their makeup routine to the next level. This formula is enriched with calendula flower extracts to minimize pores and smooth skin texture. Use it on its own or pair it with the No Pore Blem primer to create the perfect blank canvas for your next killer look. So this is not the primer, this is a prime essence. And that's what the product looks like right there. And I guess it just comes out this end. got some air bubbles in there. And it is just a very, very, excuse you, it's a bow. See? Oh, excuse you. But it is just a clear solution right there. There's no scent or anything like that. So there's that guy. Next we have is Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. And this right here is valued at $28. It says the eye balm stick delivers a lit from within glow while intensely hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. You'll feel more awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized, so you can glow and get it. Instead of go get it, glow and get it. And I do like this brand. This does feel a lot better quality. Feels like it's kind of like metal. I've received a few like little roll-on ones before, but I think this one might actually be a little bit better. So there's a little roll-on right there. And then this was just a little protecting thing that came on top of it. So there's that. I do have a lot of eye creams open, so I'm gonna leave this in my backup stock until I can use some of the others before I need to start using up what I have, you know? So there's that. Now we have this Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. This is a foaming face wash, and I have never tried that, so that's actually really interesting. And this right here is valued at $24. It says our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil, packed with vitamin C to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. $24. And that's a good size. And you just pump it up and clean your face. I'm not mad at cleansers. I mean, I use them every day, so I'm glad to have a cleanser. Now we have in here is a $1 billion brushes charcoal brush set. And it's vegan charcoal infused bristles. The box has definitely seen better days. It's like ripped and beat up, but the inside will probably be fine. It's a 5-piece brush set valued at $55. Holy moly. At least that's better than the one that came with my other one. 2 brushes for $90. I still can't get over that. All right, and I'm probably just gonna stick these in a future giveaway because I definitely don't use these big ones, and I have a lot of these little ones, and I don't wanna just keep a whole set just for a few that I might use. But this is what the entire set looks like. So you have this little guy here, the chisel, the face, and then like a blending and a eyeshadow. Looks like eyeshadow. Does it tell me the different ones on here? It says there's a powder brush, a contour brush, a concealer brush, an eyeshadow brush, and a highlighter brush. Oh, I was a little wrong. But when this does go in the giveaway, the box already came to me in this condition. So sorry, but that's how it came to me. Well, I'll stick it back in there better in just a second. So there's that item. Again, that was valued at what, $55? Okay, so then now we have is this guy. And these go around in subscription boxes a lot. I have quite a few of them. And I actually just saw this wood grain one not that long ago, like on clearance somewhere actually. And I almost bought it so I can put like a decal of vinyl or something on it as a gift. So now I have one. I like the wood grain. I like the color. I honestly just don't really use these. I have quite a few of them, and yeah, I always forget about them. But at least now I have this, that now I can do the gift thing that I was thinking about, because now I have it. And this is, what are they calling? How much are they calling this one? $35. And I know I saw it way less, but you know, they give you the retail value. So now the last item in here is this Tarte Tartiest Pro Palette. And I'm not a huge fan of Tarte products. That's just my own personal opinion. And I'll tell you guys that, but you never know. Some palettes might be better than others. Who knows? There is a little paper back here that kind of goes over different ideas, which I do like when they do stuff like this. Let me put it back to kind of protect the back, because I don't know if I'm going to keep this one or not. And then on the inside, there's a lot of loose powder kind of in there, but that is what the palette itself looks like. And again, I'm just not a huge fan of Tarte shadows. So I don't know what I'll do with this, but this is valued at $49. So everything that came in my Luxe box this month, we got the Swell water bottle. We have a Tarte eyeshadow palette. We have this really neat sleeping mask that you have to wash off in the morning. We have a 5-piece $billion brush set. We have this cooling eye balm, like for your under eyes. We have 2 lip liners, and we have a prime essence. More than half of the stuff I don't even know what the hell to do with. The other half I don't like using. So I'm honestly only probably excited about a cleanser because I use cleansers all the time, and the eye product, but I have so many of them already, but that's my fault because I get a lot of boxes. But the brushes I'm definitely not going to use. This I probably won't, just because I know the situation with having to wash it off in the morning. But that's that. So comment down below, let me know, did you get any of the same items? If you get this Luxe box, did you like any of the items that is in my box? So if you do not know, BoxyCharm, this goes basically off the base. The base box is $25 a month with free shipping, and if you sign up for the Luxe, it's every 3 months, and they charge you an additional $24.95 for that particular month, which basically makes this $49.99 or $49.95 when they do the Luxe, which again is every quarter. So you'll get your base box every month until that Luxe is up. Then you get the Luxe, and then you go back to your base box for 2 months, and then you get your Luxe. So let me know, do you get BoxyCharm at all? If you do, which level? Because there's 3 different ones. They have the base, the Luxe, and the premium. So definitely let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.